Welcome. In this video I'm going to be taking a look at this 19-in-1 wallet multi-tool from Pastaco. So this was provided to me by the distributor, but they're not compensating me for this video and they're not reviewing it before I post it. If you find this video helpful, I'll put a link to this in the description on Amazon, and if you use that link it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost you anything extra. So it has a little diagram here with the features. Let me get this out. So it has a little leather pouch here, and here's the tool. So this is made of steel, so it should be pretty durable. So this is sized to fit in a wallet. So I have a bifold wallet here. I put tape on here for privacy reasons to block things, but this will fit into one of the little slots for a credit card. Fits in there very nicely. I could also fit it in here. There's little pouches here. So if you have something that can carry credit cards, it should easily carry this tool. So let's look at the tools this has. It has an eyeglass screwdriver, letter opener, protractor, hex wrench set of 5, metric ruler to 5 centimeters, a bottle opener, direction recognition. Here's a 5mm hex wrench, screwdriver, peeler. Here's a can opener, an inch ruler, a screwdriver here, and a box opener. So I'm going to use some of these tools. I'll be jumping around here a little bit because I can't do everything here at my bench. So here's a place you could use this on a bicycle. You have this cable clamp as an 8mm nut. So if this became loose, you could go to the 8mm here and you could tighten that down like so. Now certainly there are better tools you could use for this, but the whole point of this is that you don't have other tools available and this is something you can use in an emergency. You could also use the screwdriver on here to adjust these screws. These are your limit screws. So these keep your gears from popping off towards the spokes or into the frame. So that's another place you could use this. Here's some other nuts here. This one is a 6mm, fits right on there. This would be a 10. There. I think this is a 10 also down here. So if you're not carrying this in your wallet, you could put this in your bike bag. It would take very little room. So this has a bottle opener on it here. I'm not going to open this because I don't intend to drink this right now. But that would go under this lip and you would just lift up on this here and it would pop it right off. So if you carry this in your wallet, you'll always have a bottle opener with you. So this has a couple different rulers on it. It has a 1-inch ruler. So I can put this washer up to here and we can see that this is 13/16, or we could use this 5cm ruler, and that is around 20mm, maybe 20.5mm. The edge of this can be used as a straight edge, and it has a protractor on here. So what I'll do is I'll line up the line with the holes here, these 3. I'll mark the center, and then I'll mark the angle I want, which is 120, and then I can line up that dot with the line. And there I have a 120-degree line. And of course I can put this on here and I can also measure angles that already exist. So here's a box opener. Actually I can use the letter opener here to bust through this. It has those strings in there. There we go. So we have this can opener here. This is going to hook under this edge like so. You lever it into the can and then you work your way around. Like that. So needless to say, this isn't the fastest or the best can opener, but it might be the only one you have with you. And in an emergency situation, this will open a can for you. Here it says peeler, so I think we just scrape like that. Although for this size carrot, you can almost use this box opener part to scrape. That seems to work pretty good too. That works quite well actually. You could probably use any edge of this to scrape really. So here we have a letter opener. So I find it helps to kind of pinch the edge here when using this. Then we can pull that down. It kind of bunched up a little bit. Try it from the other side. There we go. So this has an eyeglass screwdriver here, and it seems a little bit thick for my glasses. It might fit in there. In an emergency, this could work. I could file that down just a little bit, and I could do that ahead of time and test the fit in my glasses. So I know if this ever comes out, I can use this to tighten it up. And this comes with a number of different screwdrivers. You have the eyeglass one, There's one on this corner, there's a small one here, and another one on the other corner. So this has screwdrivers on all 4 corners. So this has a lot of handy tools on it. This would fit in a wallet, but this would also easily fit in a car or a bike tool bag, desk drawer. There's lots of places you could put this. And I think this could make a very nice gift for someone. So that's the 19-in-1 credit card multi-tool by Pastaco. That's all I'm going to cover in this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate it if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.